Destroying a toy
Army
solider.
Man destruction time. He's already made it past 2 tanks, which we forgot to film. But now we strapped him onto this guy.
Level 1 fire tornado.
Zoom in if you need to. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Gary, how you doing? He's strapped in. This one takes a
Level 2 basic firework.
Oh my god.
Ryan, no! Yo,
ready?
burn yourself.
Here we go.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Army. Gary. Gary! Well, we got the remains, but we don't see Gary. He might have ended up on the roof.
Wait. He's fine.
Gary's left ankle is on fire still, and his butt.
Light him with the fire.
Oh my gosh, Gary, you're
Light him on.
literally a trooper. But we're gonna have to do one more.
Level 3 master firework.
Good luck again, my friend.
Gary,
Right.
I give you Lucas, run! Lucas, I'm standing on the way over. You might want to...
Oh,
Bonus level.
All right, Gary. Good luck, my friend.
Run! No, run farther than that.
Oh, Gary went for a ride on that one.
Gary! Gary! Get on the light!
Ah, over here.
Wow.
How do you feel?
Not good.
Gary, sorry, buddy, but it's time.
No.
You were a great soldier. Pause. Oh no.
Secret level
Giving his
burn
final
him.
salute.
R.I.P.
wax.
Gary.
The bubbling wax is crazy.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, Gary.